Okay, in this video, we're going to be talking about graphing a piecewise function in Desmos. And again, it's just like if you do it in Inspire, except for you just type the functions individually. So let's get right begin. Let's begin. All right. So our function says that let's show our function again. That's our function there. Okay. So you're going to graph it like this. You don't need to type any of the f of x stuff or anything like that. Just type it directly. -4. Make sure you put your braces and put the make sure that you put the relations. If you want to get less than or equal to, you have to type less than followed by equals, and it'll put it on there. Folder and less than -2. All right, so there's the first piece of our piecewise function. Let's get the second piece. X minus 2, where we're between -2, x, +2. That's the middle piece. And then the third piece, -2x plus 4. I'm going to use a brace, and x greater than or equal to 2. And those are 3. Now, how do we evaluate this function since we didn't use an F or G or H? So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to just use a vertical line. Like, what if I want to know what f of -3 was? Then I'm going to, if I want to evaluate this function at -3, then I'm going to type x equals -3. Notice that it's going to draw a vertical line. You just go to where the function crosses, and the y value is the answer to the function. So here, if this is a function f, then f of -3 is equal to 4. Okay, so let me go ahead. About that big. All right, that's too big. 2. Okay. All right, so that's what this point represents. F of -3 is -4. All right, let's do another point. What if I want to do? Let's say I move this over. Let's say I want to do f of 1. Okay, f of 1. So here I'm going to do f of 1. I just click on the intersection there, and the f of 1 is -1. So that is the point. -1. All right, and this other part where I'm labeling is not crucial. It's just so that you can see how. It's just so that you can see the math. Okay, so there's the point there. See, there it is. And I was actually trying to get the label to get there, and for some reason the label never showed up. So what we're saying when we plot that point, f of -1 is equal. F of 1 is equal to -1. That's what we're trying to say. And again, just so that you guys can see it better, I'm just going to make this big. Okay. All right. So I'm hoping that this helps. I hope that this makes it clear how you can use Desmos to evaluate functions.